Hey guys, welcome. I am so excited to have you here today. I am sharing with you guys my clean and decorate for fall for my home. If you recently saw my last video, then you saw that I helped my sister decorate for fall and in her home, but now I am starting out in my house and I am so excited to share this with you guys. I absolutely love fall, and since I've started decorating, I just am enjoying it more and more every year. But before we get into the decorating, I wanted to let you guys know that today's video is a collaboration with a friend of mine here on YouTube and over on Instagram. Her name is Kim and her channel is called Kim's Southern Home.
Hey guys, my name is Kim. My channel name is Kim's Southern Home. I'm a wife and a mom of 2 boys. And on my channel, you'll find lots of cleaning motivation and decorating ideas. I love to decorate for the different seasons. I also love sharing different organizing tips with you. And here in my kitchen, I create and share some of my family's favorite recipes. So when you're finished watching Gretchen's video, please come on over to my Southern Home. And be sure in the comments to let me know that you came from Gretchen's channel.
So when you are finished watching my video, go on over to Kim's channel and watch hers, show her some love, and I'm sure you're going to get a ton more ideas. I'll be sure to link her video in the description box below. If you're heading over there, let her know that I sent you. So as you can see, I am starting in my living room area, and I'm starting over here on the TV stand, and I wanted to do something a little bit different than what I did last year. I went ahead and took off my galvanized tray that I usually keep on my TV stand. I have a tendency of decorating with it basically all year round. So for fall, I just wanted to kind of have it a little bit more simple over here with a few touches. I am loving the leaves inside of that vase. I think it just really gives it a nice pop of color over here. And then I've got a new picture frame that I have a picture of my little ones in, and I thought it was just really kind of like rustic, and it went and tied in with everything very well. And as you can see, I'm just trying to figure out what to do over here without making it look too cluttered. So something new that I wanted to try this year is in this basket. I wanted to kind of give the living room a little bit of a cozy feel, and I had this basket in my guest room, so I went ahead and I took it out. That blanket that I'm using, I actually had from the Target dollar spot for fall probably 3 years ago, the first year that I started decorating for fall. So I am just trying to make it look cozy and just make it a little bit of a decor piece, and I thought this turned out really cute. So when it comes to decorating in my house, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I am slowly learning how to decorate, and I am having fun as the progress goes. I pull a lot from Pinterest or from other YouTube channels, and I am having a lot of fun just learning what I like and what I don't like. So now we are just decorating over here on this little desk that I took out from the guest room, and I decided to fill the space with it. I thought it would just be perfect for my daughter to do her distance learning out here. And these little pieces mostly are from the Dollar Tree. And you'll notice by the end of this video that I change up that space one more time.
Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them. Just follow the light. You're almost there.
So this was a piece that I was having a lot of trouble with. If you watched my Hobby Lobby haul, then you saw that I got this stand at Hobby Lobby, and a lot of the things that I'm filling it up with I also bought at Hobby Lobby. And I had a totally different vision for it, but I just couldn't make it work until I added the greenery and just a few different sized pumpkins, and finally got it to where I liked it, but I ended up not leaving it on the table. I just didn't like how it looked there, so you're going to see that I'm going to end up moving that to a different spot. This year, I ended up buying some throw pillow covers off of Amazon, and I was really excited because last year I didn't really have too many throw pillows. I had actually just started buying them, and by Christmas I think I had accumulated a few. And I decided that changing out the covers was going to be the best way to change out the pillows for the seasons, and I really loved how it turned out. I loved how the mustard color on the couch, it just popped. Moving on into the kitchen, before I got started with decorating in here, I just wanted to get the counters cleared off and everything cleaned up. I don't like to do too much decorating in the kitchen just because my kitchen isn't really very big as far as counter space goes, so I don't like to take up too much space in here and clutter it with decor. But I do like to put a little bit of something, so you'll see how I'm going to decorate in here.
It's right there.
So you can probably see that I moved the stand with all of the pumpkins and everything into that corner over there. I'm not sure if I ended up getting a close-up of it, but that is where it ended up going in my kitchen.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run.
So this thankful, grateful, and blessed sign I got at the Dollar Tree, and that fall is my favorite. I had that from the Dollar Spot about 3 years ago, and I just didn't like how it looked, so I ended up putting the thankful sign on top of the other one, and I think I ended up changing this also in the end, so maybe I will do a fall home tour and I will show you guys how everything actually turns out, because I'm pretty sure after I ended up decorating other spaces in my home, I just ended up switching a lot of things.
Laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wild. We got a little crush on you.
Over on the table, I ended up putting my white pitcher that I had in the kitchen, and I just put some florals that I had gotten from Walmart, and I wanted to keep it just really simple because we always end up moving whatever we have on the table and things fall over, and I didn't want that to happen. So over here I switched out this tray I had next to the coffee maker, and the gray one that you see me taking stuff out of over there. I end up using that because that's actually a fall tray, and this is like the spot where my husband drops his keys and his wallet and everything. And here is where I put that tray that was originally there, and it has a few pumpkins on it. It says gather, and I just wanted to switch it up a little bit on top of this cabinet. This is my main kitchen decor. I have all this space up here, and it just looks so plain when it's not decorated, so I like to switch it up, especially for the seasons. For Christmas and fall are mainly when I like to switch things up, and you can see that I'm just adding a few things just to see what I can do up here without making it look too cluttered. And you're going to see I switch up a few things and until I get the look that I want. So over here above my pantry, I ended up adding these two lamb's ear wreaths to the sides of my new sign that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I think it really just kind of helps pull everything together. And then I just need to get everything vacuumed up, and I'm almost done. I am already loving the pops of the orange and the mustard. It just looks so pretty. I am in love with how everything turned out. This is definitely by far my favorite fall decor. I just love how everything looks, and now with the desk over here back in the corner, it just looks more pulled together in the living room. So I am just really, really enjoying it. So over on this desk, this is how I ended up changing it. I just added this picture frame that I had with a picture of us at a fall festival, and I really thought that just completed the look there. The table is just perfect the way it is, not too distracting, just very simple with a hint of fall. And I really just love how everything turned out. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Maybe you got some inspiration, maybe you got some ideas, or maybe you just enjoyed watching. And if you are looking for more inspiration and more fall decor ideas, don't forget to go check out Kim's video and let her know that I sent you over. And in case you missed it, I'm going to go ahead and link my first fall clean and decorate video of this series where I decorated my sister's house. I'll link that at the end of this video so that you could go ahead and watch it and just get more of those fall vibes. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope that you guys really did enjoy it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. God bless. Bye.